So my wife tells me it's important to put salt in my water. Why is it important to put salt in my water?
Well, number one, not just any salt. Can you show them what kind of salt that is? It is Himalayan mountain wild pink salt. The rationale for that is, you just put a pinch in there, right?
Yeah, pinch.
Okay, we're not asking for high blood pressure, y'all. So just a little pinch of water. And sodium, adding that little bit of sodium to your water actually helps your body to absorb the water as you drink, or you're gonna pee it out and it's just gonna go right through you. So sodium actually helps you absorb. Did you know, like, we give normal saline in the hospital? Have you ever heard of people getting normal saline fluids?
Yes, let's put a little bit of salt in it, right?
Yep, and that has a little bit of salt. You don't see the hospitals. I mean, there is water, like solutions, but that's for a particular type of population that's struggling with maybe high blood pressure. But overall, we give normal saline all the time in people's veins. So essentially, you're just drinking it. And you want to taste it? Tell me what it tastes like. You taste it? You don't taste it. That's the thing. You don't taste it. And so don't worry about it being... Now, if you taste it, dump the whole water out.
Really? You put too much in it? Okay.
Way too much in there. But you just need a little tiny... But you see how big that thing is, right? So again, just a pinch of salt.
It helps your body to absorb the water more. So essentially, if you're just drinking water, you won't absorb as quickly as you would if you were to put a little bit of salt. Now, does it have to be this kind of salt, or what kind of salt we're talking about?
No, they can do sea salt. That wild pink salt has minerals in it. Can you show the back? I always am a big thing about ingredients. Always check the back. You should be like, that should be a habit you always do. Himalayan pink salt. I think I got this from Amazon, but Himalayan pink salt naturally has minerals in it. So that's like your other zinc and selenium and all that extra minerals that we don't get in our water supply, unfortunately.
So if I just use like an iodized salt or like salt water?
Maybe sea salt. Sea salt.
Yeah.
It has some, but Himalayan pink salt.
Himalayan pink is the best.
And Celtic sea salt would be great, because Celtic sea salt is from the Celtic Ocean. It has a lot of minerals in it too.
Easy to remember, like Boston salt. All right, guys. Thanks.